wishes come true for children with life-threatening illnesses across the South Plains. This is KMAC's Wish Wednesday, sponsored by Covenant Children's.
TxDOT is always up to help make someone's day. A few years ago, you probably remember, we showed you how they helped surprise Joseph. They lined FM 2641 with their trucks, bulldozers, and signs.
And then just a few weeks ago, TxDOT workers helped make a wish come true for 6-year-old cancer survivor Archer.
Okay, go.
The man Archer enjoys a good explosion when he can get one, and wanted to help the department out. So, for his wish, they let him push the ceremonial button there to implode pieces of flyover in Austin.
Oh my gosh.
And now they get to go work on all this after that. But he did it, brought it down. If you'd like to help make wishes come true for kids on the South Plains, all you got to do is make a donation right now at wishesneedyou.org.
I love that. That's something I'm going to remember because it's something different.
And how happy was he just to get to do that?
I know.